Today we're at Temurun Waterfalls, but unfortunately this is the actual waterfall behind me. In all its magnificent glory. We've obviously come in dry season, which is a really big mistake. Don't come here in dry season. What I actually just filmed was this down here. Like this tiny little trickle, which is all there is here really. Come in wet season, don't come in dry season. So let's go to the beach. Yeah, see? This is better.
Wow.
It's much more like it.
Nothing like what?
I said it's much more like it.
Much more like
Well,
the beach than.
the waterfall was a little bit disappointing. Here in Tanjung Rhu Beach, which is in the northeast of the island. It's about 40 minutes from Penang, and it's a bit like a Thai beach, a bit like Krabi in Thailand. If you're hiring a car, how much does the car cost?
180 a day for an hour, 120 for a normal car. But that's because it's peak season, so it's cheaper the rest of the year.
It is peak season, so we're at an expensive time right now. It's also dry season, which is why the waterfall was not a waterfall.
Dry. It's not a very nice cliff.
However, there is a nice fake waterfall just before it, which it will make up for it if you do go in dry season. About 40 minutes to get to Temurun Falls. From there it takes about 40 minutes to get here, and then it takes about 40 minutes to get back to Penang. And remember that important question that we were talking about? I think now's the time to pop it.
What question?
What are you asking us?
Are you proposing to
Is this going to be a weird forced marriage?
Millie and James? Will you marry us?
Oh my god, yes! 1,000 times, yes!
You actually want us to do it?
Yes, we do.
Oh, guys!
Awesome.
And I've got a busy day today. What do we have?
What is this?
What do we do? Marry us. Plan our ceremony.
Maui!
Having
And a holding. And the
I'm already regretting this decision.
We have a collection of fridge magnets from around the world. This will be the most important one.
I wasn't recording. I'm kidding, I was.
How important is your blog? Are you going to make us pretend to be really? Oh my god! Wow!
Does that mean we get to share the honeymoon suite with you two?
Well, that just got weird.
Well, we're sharing an anniversary.